Alrighty, here we are, part 4. It's a good spot to start pulling these nails here. I actually might see if I can. Oh, well, that one pulls through. I barely even got underneath it there.
So when you say the nail pulled through, can you explain why that's a bad thing?
Yeah. So at that point, the nails are not designed to make a hole that's twice as big. What happens whenever that nail pulls through? Now we have a bigger hole here. You obviously can't put a nail back in the same hole, but that kind of makes it more prone to leaks, issues of that nature to get through the shingle now. And again, it's not designed to have big holes throughout the actual shingle. So still gotta get that nail out.
And when it pulls through like that, in theory, I guess you have to lift the shingle up even further to try to get it.
To get it out, which is more prone to creasing, tearing of things of that nature. So that's why pull-throughs, we don't really like to see that. I mean, even that one kind of pulled through a little bit. Kind of want to document this. This is already a damaged shingle, but if it was not, you'd probably have to exit out. And with this being a 2-layer roof, it complicates things a little bit more for repairs. That one tried to pull through. I kind of saved it. Maybe get a close-up of that, just for reference. That's about twice the size of a normal nail head hole. And you can see the 2-layer here in this shot actually would be I'm going to document that as well.
Let me know when you're ready for the shingle. I can bring it over to you.
Okay. I think I'm almost ready. Just want to make sure we don't have any stray nails. And that one pulls through as well.
Nail must have hit a truss or something.
Something, or it wasn't driven in very straight. I mean, most of these holes, I'm going to document once I get a good stopping point. Almost all these nails are pulling through. I'm going to try to manipulate them just to do the repair.
Yeah, because that pull through, you're having to get that shingle up so high. That's not ideal for shingle number 8.
At this point, that's going to be creased because I have to literally get a decent enough angle to remove that nail. Ready for the shingle now.
Yeah, it's a good time. We're right under 5 minutes, so I'm going to go to part 5.